Hello guys, thank you for clicking on this video, and today I hope everyone is safe. So I ordered this digital HDTV antenna from Amazon. It's an indoor and outdoor antenna. I just wanna try it out because I don't have a cable. I already cut my cable, so I'm just gonna be on a regular, over the air, signal for my TV. And this is a VHF UHF 170 230 megahertz, and up to 470 862 megahertz. Gain is 25 decibel, and the cable length for this is 16.5 feet, 75 ohms, and it uses 5 volts for the booster for this antenna. And the antenna size is 9.68 by 2.44 by 5.31 inches, so it's not that big. This is going to be an indoor and outdoor antenna. So this one comes with the booster, I guess. So let's check it out. By the way, I got this one only for $9 on Amazon, and I'll put the link down in the description below if you want to get one of these. I'm not sure how well this will work for me or for everybody, but I'll give this one a shot. So, made of plastic, the antenna itself, and this one 16 feet cable, so not sure if this is enough. And it comes with mounting screw, double-sided tape or adhesive tape, and the booster, or the booster, which is a USB. Here it requires USB power, and I think that's it. So I'm gonna test it and see how it works like indoor, since I may need like a longer cable to put it outdoor. It looks like looks okay, made of plastic. Alright, and that's it, guys. This is the simple unboxing of the digital HDTV antenna, 1080p 1080i. Oh wait, I forgot there's a manual for this one. And a support, like note, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so this is how I set it up. So I just put the antenna right there, and my TV is right here. So I did a scan, and it came up with 61 channels. So this is how good quality is the the image I'm getting. So I'm gonna change some channel here and see what else we can get. Okay, so this is KTLA. Well, I'm impressed with this, but this antenna may or may not work for you depending on where you are located. So I'm in the urban area, so of course should not be a problem. So at least with this one I can save monthly bills on the cable channel. I only watch news, so this one basically worth my purchase. Okay, HDTV channel 720. So far so good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And by the way, just to add, this antenna is supports DB B-T signal, ATSC, And let me see, make sure. Okay, and then ISDB-T compatible. So just in case you need that information. And this is the spec. Alright. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Stay safe everyone.